Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Since I don't get the joy of seeing your faces every day, I may have started buying some cute sunglasses on Amazon. I'll have some new pairs to try on for you guys, so you'll have to let me know if you like them. But these are my heart ones. I think they're pretty cute. Okay, but as far as learning today, we're going to start by blending some words. We'll start up here on this red word. We're going to blend it, see what it says first, and then we'll change the beginning letter to the W sound, okay? So we're starting at the top with our red word. It says net, net. If I take the n and change it to a w, now it says wet, wet. Good job. Next one down, friends. It's starting out with the in, pin. Change the p sound to the w. Now I have w in, win. Okay. Next one, I'm starting out with the ill, fill. Change our f sound to the w. Now we have ill, will. Okay, last few. We have our word in green right here is big, big. Change our b to a ig, wig, like the wagwags were wearing wigs. Next one, our blue word, vent, vent. Change our v to a ent, went. Last one, starting off with our l, tell. Change the t to a w, and now it's l, well. Okay, so changing those beginning sounds to the w sound. And next, friends, we will quickly read through. There we go. So we all know that Lily Ping is the super noodle this week, but now, and she just told us yesterday they were going to go to the different kinds of planets. Okay, so I'm going to read through this real fast for you guys. It says Lily and the Wagwags, and we're going to find that popcorn word too in there. Lily led the Wagwags to the planet wet, or the wet planet, sorry. And this wagwag down here says, the wet planet is a mess. So what's making the planet wet? I see something over here. You plug this in the summertime and maybe run through it. It's called a sprinkler. So the sprinkler was like spraying wet water onto the ground, and now the dirt got kind of muddy. So down here, the wagwags slip in the mud. And this wagwag says, swim fast. Let's get off the wet planet. So they kind of take a little dip into the pool to clean their bodies off. The wagwags went to the hot planet. The wagwags went in a tent. Lily's saying, it is hot. So the hot planet guys, they must have taken like maybe a sheet or something and just kind of like put it over top of a rope. So they're inside when they're in there, and even like if you go camping and you're in a real tent, it does get kind of like warm, especially if the sun's out. The wagwags will melt. Blast off for the wind planet. So they're getting out of the hot planet now, and you can see they're like sweating down there. They're super tired. So the wind planet looks like a place to cool off. The wind planet is not hot. Bits of fluff drift past. So there's like this fan is how they're making the wind, and it looks like little bits of like flour, or it's kind of like floating through the air sometimes, how it does in the summer. Let's rest. Sip a glass of Planet Pop. So they're kind of just taking this cute little, these drinks and calling it Planet Pop. But the wagwags must not stop. So even though they're kind of comfy and hanging out right here, they still have a few more planets to go. Uh-oh. The wagwags stand on stilts. The wagwags get to the tip-top planet. So they're climbing on these stilts. They better be careful on those, but they're walking over to the tip-top planet, which is actually the top of the bus. I see the bus over here. Let's get to the planet Whump. Hop off. No, Lily, I will not hop off. Is it safe to just hop off? It doesn't sound like it. But Lily hops off to the planet Whump. So Lily is hopping off the bus. Now we know Lily though, she's not being unsafe. So there must be something on the ground to help make the planet Whump maybe like fluffy or soft. Can you guys think of some things that might make it like soft? Maybe it's a bunch of cotton balls. Those are soft and fluffy, but it would take so many to make something that Lily could land on. Maybe it's a bunch of fluffy berries. Perry would not like to be landed on, though. Let's find out what it is. Whump! Lily lands on the planet Whump. It is soft. The wagwags hop and land. Whump, whump, whump. So Planet Whump was like a mattress that they had laying next to the bus, and when they hit the mattress, it makes that whump sound, which is why she called it Whump. It is fun to land on the planet Whump. So look at Gallies up there in the front of the bus, like honking the horn. But the Super Kids, guys, they're jumping off to Planet Whump. All right, thanks for listening. Hopefully you guys like my glasses. I'll talk to you later.